Everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to play Yellowing Baby Part 2. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. Let's start. Okay guys, we are here. If you watch my video, then you will remember this. Now let's explore. Oh, we found a play recording.
August 15th, log 633. I awoke with the incredible idea to redecorate. With no one else around, why not make the place my own? I have this burning desire to paint the walls yellow. Yellow. So vivid and cute, and really such a fun word to say. Yellow. Yellow. Yellow.
I think he's a crazy man. I think he's the one who created Yellowing Baby. I think he's the one who created the baby. Okay. So he wants the color yellow. So he loves yellow. I mean, he's the Yellowing Baby.
This is the yellow room. Yellow, 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 yellow. Log ending soon to be.
Yeah, full is yellow. Everything's yellow. Oh, everything's locked. Okay. A painting. Last time it was like a scary face. Now it's not. We have something. Let me check it. What? It's not sucking me. Oh, I can place it here. Fast. Let me see. Wow. What is this place? Actually, why it reminds me like the Taj Mahal? It reminds me Taj Mahal. Yeah, leave it. Now, why am I planting? It's not a time to plant. Do your duties. I'll do my duty. So what is this plant? Ouch! Hey, what is this? It's beating me or it's beating me. It's beating me. What should I do? Should I call Newt? For what? Okay. Ouch! I was. Okay. What spray is this? What spray is this actually? So we have harvest. Oh, why did it not show its name? Okay, we can add this here. It's not showing its name. So let's make one potion, okay? But first I want to explore the place. So what to explore? I need 6 of the souls. Nothing here to explore. Oh, and add guys. Okay, let's skip. Yeah, if you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. It will be helpful. Okay, now let's start. I will heat it. Oh, it's like a science experiment or something. It's like science things. Yeah, science things. So we have a pink potion. Now let's see what happens. Okay. It's going to the cauldron. Now we have a pink potion. There's lots of feeding bottle here. They're unlimited. Let's fill it. What happens? Wow. Now click again. What is that? I hear the sounds. Oh no. Oh no, the baby. What? It came back? I thought I defeated. What? He's laughing? How dare you scare me? You'll be punished, little one. But not now. I need you, actually. Let me just take this. Oops, sorry. I'll take this. I'm sorry, baby. Here, go, eat it. What? Oh, you are a magnetic. There's nothing. Why Newt is not stuck here? He's magnetic, right? No? He's rusty. Oh, we have found a key. We found a pink key flower. Okay. I have a wheel. And I think we should place this here. Perfect. Now I can punish you, little one. How dare you scare me? Now I'll scare you. In the ovens. Go in the ovens. Oh. What is this? A log.
April 4th, log 566. Right, the flower specimen 32C brought back from Carcosa as promised and could just be the reagent I've been searching for. The trick was finding a method to administer it to the child without getting too close. Luckily, his babysitters have no problem feeding him countless bottles of mysterious liquid. These experiments may be the key to our salvation. Look in.
Oh, I say he built this. Oh, an ad, guys. Fast. Okay. What again? Oh, okay. Now let's play. Oh, we have a lot of food here. I will eat one pickle, slice of pickle. No need now. Now where's our baby? The chubby baby. He is chubby, right? No. Okay. I think I know what should I do here. I will wait a second. Let me just check here. There's a key and there's a cat. There's a baby. There's a magnetic potion. You know what it's? We can feed him and throw him in there. Okay, now let's put it. Suck you up. You have a use here. I'm crouching. Yeah, he's coming, he's coming. Yes! We got the key. This game is too easy for me, guys. Wow, new room. Follow the black cat. Where's the black cat? Oh, there. Oh, an ad, guys, again. Fast stamp. So now, okay. Now I think I need Newt again. Come on, my Newt. Where you found that name, Newt? There's a switch. Okay. Now the ladder will move. Wait, where are you going? Stand there. It's not a time to look there. I mean, look that. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Thank you, Newt. Why are you throwing books at me? Why are you throwing books at me? It's not good to throw books, okay? You are a bad baby. So I will drop you in the magnetic portion, then you will be magnetic more. Oh, thank you. So, what should I? I don't have time to fight you, okay? Oh, there's a book, a symbol, okay. I will remember this symbol. Then what is, oh, okay. What is this? Another symbol, okay. Then what is this? This is question. I should go up. Okay. How should I go up? Newt, I need you again. Sorry for disturbing your planting, but I need you. Enough. This is little too far. Okay. I will remember this, okay? Here is something. Okay. Hey, don't throw that, you baby. Okay, I think I remember it. And the last piece, guys. Descend. Okay. Newt, I want you again. Where are you? Where? Newt, are you escaping from me? Placing you here. And picking you. Oh, not here, not here. Putting you here. Don't throw a box, baby. It's bad for you. Now let's fly. Oh, okay. Let me see the code. I think this was here. And this was here. That one. Oh, yes. Oh. Oh, there is some more mask. Seeker Abros Armitage. What is that? Into the Abyss Adrift. What? Ravaged by Metal Tempest. What is this? Fell off a ladder. Oh, he fell off the ladder? But what is this? Seeker. I think he's wearing that now. Oh, there's a cat. Honorary Seek, the black cat. That's his name? Or someone's name? I record.
February 27th, log 895. The cat. Well, she's a particularly curious creature. Whether she has motives or a master of sorts, I simply do not know. She appears intelligent and is quick to warn me of danger when it suits her. I'm always glad to see her face when I wake sharply from my dreams. I really hope she stays.
Logan.
Logan.
Okay. No! What's that? The baby scared me. Whew. That grumpy baby, I'm gonna show you. But you are here? Why are you sitting here in this broken chair? And a broken plant and disgusting place. Oh, camera. I need to open it. Oh, like that, okay. Oh, this is the old camera. It's very complicated. Wow, look at this. The flower is back to life. Everything's back to life. Wait a second. Wait, there's a lever. But there was no lever first time. There was no lever there. Oh, sorry guys. I accidentally pressed that. Where is it? Okay. Oh, it's just started. Oh my god. Sorry for interrupting, guys. It's not restarted, it's saved. It's saved, yeah, it's saved. Sorry for that. Oh, fan ad again. Oh, I can exit this ad. Fast, 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 fast. Okay, sorry for interrupting, guys. Now let's start playing. Let's open this door. Whoa. What is this? Of course, this door for safety. Oh, I can use this for the camera. Or the old camera. What? Oh, I opened it, right? Oh, it's restarted. Okay. Oof. Now can I look? Thank you. What should I picture? I'm not picturing you, okay? You're a grumpy baby. Look at this. You're bad baby. Very bad. Close the door for me. Automatic door or something. Whatever. I should place this here. Ooh, automatic. Thank you for throwing it. I can put this into some kind of water. Oh, it's like magical. This is a magical TV. Come on, come back to life. You know, it's come back. Yes! What did happen? What happens if I press that? A plant. Oh, I can do this again. Whatever. Oh. Come on, come on, come on. Again. Why? Now can I play? Thank you. Okay, now we can press this, go here, and the plant is back to life. I'll take this, thank you, and I'll put, oh sorry, I should first put it in here. Okay, automatic door close automatically. Okay, thank you for the throwing. Putting into some kind of liquid. I feel like I'm a scientist here. Oh, I'm a scientist. Now I put this into the magic TV. I mean a television. The magic is working. Okay, finished. Yay! Ow! I'm mute. Come on, mute. Mute. Come on. Where are you? Yeah, here you are. There you are. Play that for me, please. Wow! Thank you. Now what? Oh. And what? I'm here? Okay. I will go. Hi, Mr. Baby sitting on there. Now let me see some potion making. Okay. Oh. Okay, now let's start like a heat ribbon, something going there, and let's put, oh, there are same names. Come on, my potion, blue color, nice. Actually, I love the color, like dark blue and what, white. Yeah, white also. Comment down what is your favorite color, guys. Okay, let's fill this. A heavy thing. Why for? What for? I mean, yeah, what for? Whoa! You're so chubby. You're like a plushie. Ooh, he looks like a monster like this. And very heavy also. Yeah, as you put here, so the weight will like open this door. He will fall here. So the pipe here, he will fall here. Why is not falling here? Where is he? What? How come you are here? I thought you sucked. I should go again. Sit here, baby. Good boy. For now, I want to kill you. One day. Drop you here. Oh, this thing almost broke when I throw him. Oh, now I can go here. Now he will be dropped and we are free, guys. Yes. Finally, we are free. The baby on the top. I think we are not free yet. Oh, why it's not going? Okay, guys, the baby is on the top. We are free. What is a dream island or something? Oh, look at this small house. I think it's a mansion. There's a broken gate, a broken floor. Oh, I can't fall there. Hey, log.
March 12th, log 901. The view from the garden and the black star overhead is a mesmerizing sight. I often find myself
The noise is very low.
wondering when my time will come. In memory of the fallen, I must persevere. Log end.
Okay, that's sad. I think he's sad. Sad for what? I found the last plant, guys. Come on, mute. Mute your duty. What? Who threw that? You baby. Newt, don't worry, Newt. I'll also catch him. Hey, you. Ouch. Newt. Try catch him. You idiot. You monster. You. Ouch. What? I could catch him? It is next to the plants. He shouldn't let me next to the plants. Wait, I should wait here, I think. I can't go here because there's a plant here. Now where it is? Oh, we should try and catch him. Oh, I should stay here then. I'll stay here. Come on, you naughty baby. Well, something's talking. I'm not catching him. You can catch him. Oh, what is this? What is this thingy? It's annoying. Very annoying. Oh, what should I do here, guys? Where is he? What is this? I got a cannonball him. Okay. This is enough. I'm leaving in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4. Finally, I got you. Now what? Put the baby on the Newt. Okay. What do you want, baby? I'm sorry, robot. Oh, okay. Oh, I understood. Where is he? What? He's... Oh, first there again. Okay. I need a cannonball. Place it here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What? Come here. Are you doing that actually? Let me think that. Yeah. I want him to stand there the last time. Like the last time. Shoot, 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 shoot. Oh, yes. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay. You are very naughty. I'll place you here. And I will shoot you. And I will say goodbye. That's what you get. Being nice to my friend. Being not nice to my friend. Now, Newt, come on. Thank you, Newt. Thank you. Now I can go peacefully. Now I can go to the mansion and finish the portion. Okay. Okay, let's exit. Okay, now let's go. What? The baby. He's angry. Oh no. Oh no. The black cat. world collide. Okay. There's lightning, guys. Oh, we woke up. Oh, my newt. What happened here? That's what I'm asking. That's what I'm asking actually. It's closed. Come on, little one. What? Where it is? Let me see. Oh. Okay. Now let's go. Okay, so I think let's put blue and pink. Now let's see. Yellow color. Oh no, yellow color, guys. That's not good. Hi Newt, thanks for saving me. What are you showing? Love? Yeah, you too, but what's this? Baby, no, heartbroken. Okay. And he don't like the baby. Here you go. Oh no, it's fire. Oh no. Alright, okay. Now let me flame you. Okay, let's open this. And oh, the stairs. Okay. Yeah, back to my home. What? I want to escape here. I don't want to save the imaginary world or something. Find the pacifier. Oh, it's downstairs in the kitchen. Oh no. Please don't be jump scare. Yeah, this side. Oh my god. What's on his head actually? Hey baby, mister, come here fast. Oh, why he's standing there? Don't be scared. I will kill him for once and for all. Here you go, you naughty baby. Whoa. But I didn't see this in the first time. Oh, these things. Then let me press this. What? Why is it working? What should I do here, guys? Oh, I think I should press this thing. And this thing. And that thing. Yeah! I am a genius. What? It stopped? Oh no, the baby woke up with the pacifier in his mouth. Oh! How dare you break that? What should I do? I should take that. That's the only thing that can save this imaginary world. Or something. I don't know, guys. Yeah, my thing. I love this. Oh. What? Hey, don't destroy it. You destroyed it. Oh my god. He's here. Oh my god. Where should I go? Close the door. Yeah. What should I do? Oh. The door thing. Put it faster. Come on, faster. What? Newt, come help me. Okay. Oh, I escaped. Oh, thank God. Thank you, Newt. Should I go down? Let me take my breakfast. Wait, what is this? This is an ad of Yellow Baby in Yellow. I'm playing it now. Oh, it's another. Oh, I see. Oh my god. It scared me. No, I'm not going there. I'll go here then. Billah. Okay guys, there's the black thing. I don't care. I'm going to take that. Is not safe to pick up? Okay. Oh, there's a piece. I will take this piece also. Place it here. Now work my magic. Yes! Trap it! Trap the demon inside. Oh no! He's back, he's back. Take it, Newt. Take it, Newt. I'll run for my life. You run for your life. Oh, help, Newt. Ow! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna die here, guys. Please, Newt! Oh. Thank you. Wait, where am I walking? Oh yeah, here. Newt. Thank you. You're tired. Me too. And scared also. Scared and tired. Same. Oh, it's hard to walk with it. It's heavy actually, guys. It's heavy, very heavy. Hey! Why you are here? Newt! He's helping me. I will put this code for you, Newt. This for you. Please come fast. Please use the magic by Newt. Oh no, Newt is holding the door. Oh no. Oh no. The baby realizes the full power. No, Newt. Oh no. He's here. Ow. Ow. Ooh, just correct timing. Yes, we won. Newt has dead. Broken heart. I miss you, Newt. Saying goodbye. Sorry, Newt. Oh, Newt is gone. Why isn't it opening? I want that. For Newt. He helped me a lot. Rest in peace. Newt. Open fast! Oh. Oh, but it's not safe to touch, right? Now I can touch? Oh, it's yellow. Now finally I can place it. Ah, it's for Newt. This is for you. Wow, the symbol, the bad symbol, the baby symbol. What? Is it hell? Oh no, the baby, I knew it, he's still alive. Oh my god, there's multiples of baby. Oh! Oh no, the black hole. Nice. I am being taken. What? Who is he? Oh, the mask. The cat. His pet is the cat?
What have you done?
Is the same voice of that log and something? Ooh, guys, we end the game. We finished the game, guys. This is not the end. New chapter, secret outfit and more. In the meantime, you can keep up to date with Team Terrible on Twitter, Discord and TikTok. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. We completed the game. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. It will help me. So goodbye. Take care.